Congrats, Chicago ladies! You can now buy tampons and pads with a little less tax attached to the purchase. Chicago City Council voted unanimously to remove the 1.25% city tax from feminine hygiene products. Granted, women will still pay the 9% state and county taxes, but hey, it's a start. It's in response to a national effort to eliminate the tax that women are forced to pay to manage a bodily function that men don't have. One California assemblywoman did the math on what that tampon tax adds up to statewide. She found that women spend roughly $7 a month for an average of 40 years on hygiene products. That comes out to over $20 million annually in taxes. She recently introduced Assembly Bill 1561, which would end tampon taxes in California. And in early March, 5 women filed a lawsuit against New York because there is no way these products would be taxed if men had to use them. They argue that products used by both genders, like Rogaine, adult diapers, and dandruff shampoo, are not taxed, while tampons and sanitary pads, which are a medical necessity for women, are. The move for Chicago to get rid of the tax makes it one of the first cities in the nation to do so. Illinois legislators are reportedly considering introducing a bill that would remove the tax statewide. Should Illinois adopt that bill, it would join the company of 5 other states who have already killed the tampon tax: Minnesota, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Maryland, and Massachusetts. For Newsy, I'm Lexi Hamasfire.